Hey friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today we are checking out these Giec Candypods, true wireless earbuds. These feature 24-hour playtime, IP55 protection on the water and water resistance. So these are, we have this little instruction booklet first, how to hook it up, and there's that. Okay, instructions. It has oh, come out of there. Has this, if I can open it up here. There we go. So kind of a cool looking little case there. Inside we have the earbuds. There we go. So that's what they look like. Look a lot like the Apple one. So these are supposed to have noise canceling on them. Has a little indicator light on the front, and then the USB-C charging port. So also in the box, in here we have a charging cord. Okay, so we're going to charge this up, get them ready to go. We're going to pair them, test them out, show you guys how to do the pairing and everything. Should just be plug and play pretty much, so I just want to make sure these are fully charged before I start doing that. All right, let's pair these up. Just go to your settings, and connections, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm going to open up the Candypods. And pull them out here. And they should just start pairing. Press the scan button, and there they are, Candypods right there. So tap on that and click pair. There we are. That was super easy. Calls audio. Okay, my friends. Okay, so these are pretty comfortable. I'm using the microphone from the phone right now, so walking away and just talking normally, you can kind of get the idea of what the sound is like from the phone. And then we're going to switch it to the earbuds microphone here. Okay, so now we're using the Candypods microphone here. So these have this Bluetooth AirPods or Earbuds or earbuds or whatever you want to call them. These have the best range of any that I've used before out of all of them. A lot of them conk out after like the first, if you go in the next room, they start splitting up. So this one's actually been working with pretty good with about 4 or 5 rooms away and a pretty good distance. So of all the earbuds or these things that I've ever tested out, these have been like the best on the range. These aren't noise canceling. They said they were, but they're not really technically noise canceling.
So, but the sound quality is decent for the price of these, for about average for the kind like these. And it comes with a nice little charging thing. Connection was super easy, Bluetooth and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and listen to this, see how it is, do a final review on that.
All right, friends. So going back over the videos, the sound quality was decent for the price of these things. What really impressed me was the range. I know I talked about that a little bit earlier, but I have some Samsung Earbuds Pro or whatever they are, and if I get about, I don't know, 25 feet away from my phone with them, it starts losing connection. These, I'm all the way on the other side of the house with walls and stuff in the way, and it's still working. So, of all the Earbuds or anything like that I've ever tried, these candy pods have like the greatest range. Most within a few feet of your phone, they start losing reception, but these things are pretty crazy for the range. I mean, you're not going to be like 200 feet away, but so far, it's been about double or triple what the other ones are that I've used before. So the sound quality is not bad. It does seem to have actually a little bit of noise canceling ability when I was starting to listen to some songs. So the sound quality is decent, about what you would expect for something around this price. They're comfortable in the ears. They didn't feel like they were going to fall out or anything like that. The microphone, I did notice that it did seem like the microphone was, when I used it, was the sound was a little bit behind the video. So I'm not sure if that's, and it was like very, very minute, but it was, I could tell the difference though with that. So something like that, but also the range on it was enhanced. The how far away I could get away from the phone and still be able to hear me clearly. So that's kind of important. So if you're making videos or something and you're using your phone, something like these that have the microphone built in, where you can hear, where they can actually pick up your source, pick up your sound a little better. So if I'm recording with a phone and I'm walking away or turning my head, sometimes it's kind of, you lose some audio or something. So with these, it's kind of nice to add them as your microphone, and then you can use that for your sound capturing device. So all that's kind of handy. All in all, I'd have to say these are decent little earbuds, ear headphones, earbuds, all those things above. So I will link these in the description below if you guys want to check them out. The wireless Giec, Giec Bluetooth earbuds. So thanks for watching this review, guys. And if you're in the market for a decent little pair of earbuds, the case also charged up pretty easy. One thing about it is they're similar to the AirPod cases, where I don't know, for some reason I have a difficulty like kind of pulling them out of there because the top doesn't open up all the way. I guess my fingers are kind of pudgy, so just kind of grab the top. Maybe it takes a little bit of skill or practice doing it, but that was something kind of minor there. But for me, it was like kind of difficult to grip them to take them out because it does have a little magnet that pulls them in. The case charges fine. Everything, the Bluetooth setup was really fast, and when I pull them out, pairs right away with my phone, so no issues there. The tapping mechanism on the side, if you want to change songs or pause or go to the next one, it was nice and sensitive. You just tap on the outside. There was no problem there, so that function worked correct as well. So all in all, not a bad little pair of listening devices here, my friends. So thanks for watching this video, and if you guys do want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. You can grab it on Amazon for about $27. So you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.